Hey everyone, good morning. So welcome back to another video. Today, just like always, I am not completing my task and all things. Again, I'm going to here give the summary of 3 days or 4 days. Means on day 49, day 50, and day 51, and day 52. That is today. So I'm going to speak about all the things that I have done from all of these days together. So let's start with day 49. It was the Sunday on day 49, and I don't do so much good things that I just spend time on house, watch the YouTube videos. I did some works and I got busy in some things, especially in the mobiles to clearing the space in my mother's mobile, and this like this day went. Now talk about day 50. It's day on day 50. I woke up early. Maybe I did exercise and meditation. I have forgot. But in these 4 days, I have done exercise and meditation 2 days or 3 days. Means I have done my exercises, but I have not done my meditation. I speak it earlier because I will not mention it every time. So on day 50, yeah, I went to drop my sister to her school, and after coming from there, I went to college for my sister's registration, and then from there, I came home and I went with my father on the work. Then I came home and I went to my coaching, and after coming from the coaching, uh, I spent time in mobiles like always, and I am also making the space in my mobile. Then I slept and day 50 end. Now let's talk about day 51. On day 51, I did some tasks. I woke up early. I spent some time in house, like doing all the things because I am not doing school and all. So I did this, and then in the at around 10 a.m. or more, I went I went to give my father to lunch on his work, and I helped him little bit, not so much, just a little bit of help. And then after I came home, yeah, then after I did some, my cycle got out of order, so I made it, and then I came home, and then after sometimes I went to my coaching, and after in the coaching I got my payment. uh, I came home and I just cooked and slept on time. So that was the thing that I've done. Now, oh, this was day 51 thing. Now talk about day 52. So today is day 52. Today I woke up early, and then I went to drop my sister to her school. But before dropping her to school, I woke up. I go on my terrace for some time, and then after freshen up, I just did my housework like cooking and everything. Then after I I spent my time in this, and I was thinking that I am not making this. So I first of before that, from at least 1 hour from ago, is around 3:45 p.m. and just before 1 hour, I sat for meditation, and I was totally forgot that what I have to say. Means I don't know that what I have to say on the video. That I got forget what I have done on Sunday, what I have done on Monday or Tuesday so well. And this is now I'm making the video. Now I will go on my coaching, and then after coming from coaching, I will do some housework like cooking and washing the dishes, and then after having dinner, I will sleep. I will sleep. Sorry. Whenever I am going to speak on English, I just forgot. And that time I will speak good. I will speak in the grammatically correct way. But I got tongue twisting or asleep my tongue, and just asleep my tongue got sleep. So I speak sometimes. I mean, I spell some words very badly, and maybe it's pronounced bad. So this is all the thing. Now, honestly, I will say the some things that I need to say. I will upload it on my normal channel that I am not getting the views and all, just for making the memory the things. But now I have decided, I have cleared some things that is giving me procrastinating to my mind, that no, do with this later and all. I just cleared all the things. Means I was need to a space, but I think that I don't need to spend 1k for just 128 GB, because memory got corrected. I was looking for that earlier, but for me 1k is really very needed. So I'm going to uh, not invest that money, but I cleared a space in my mobile, and now I can back on my work. I think that what I have to do now. So not more, but I will take 1 or 2 days. But after that, I will be continue on my work. Uh, so for this means, and I have completed all the things that I have to say, and I have completed the day 49, day 50, day 51, and day 52, that is recently, and I had to upload the video tomorrow, so I will upload it tomorrow. uh, so let's get back to the work. I am getting the shape of my idea, that how I will execute the things. So this is all the things that I need to do, and so I'm going to stop it, and I hope I will be grateful, or maybe I will regret later. I don't know, but let's see what happens. So thanks for watching this video. Bye bye. See you soon in the next video.